Okay, first I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself here at Satcoms Innovation Group Virtual Sessions and to introduce ViaLite. My name is John Meyers. I joined ViaLite in late 2019 with the goal to head up sales and channel management for the Asia Pacific region. Originally from Florida in the US, but I've been based in Thailand for the past 20 years, managing sales, pre-sales, and post-sales technical support previously for my old company, ViaLite Satellite Networks. Before that, I worked for Viasat when we were called Scientific Atlanta, installing VSAT ground equipment in North America and Asia. I'm very excited to join ViaLite with the goal of expanding and developing the Asia Pacific region, where I've been working for the past 25 years in Satcom. Jumping out of ViaLite, we're in the business of RF over fiber technology. It's not a new technology. It's been around for more than 15 years, but we've added many new innovations to it as the market has had new demands. We've been in business almost 25 years. It's a UK-based company. The three main markets for RF over fiber are traditionally Satcom, the interconnection of ground equipment in earth stations, and long distance links for today's diversity requirements for KA and KU systems. Broadcast, wireless cameras connected over fiber back to production facilities, and GPS and timing requirements. These are the three main market segments for this technology. In ViaLite, all of our equipment is designed and manufactured in the UK. We're used in 8 out of 10 teleports in the world, and we've had some recent developments in just the last year, from Canada to Belgium to Indonesia, some involving long-distance DWDM links. We have some innovations that I'd like to talk about today, three main areas of innovation, three products, but in this time of COVID, our ability to have web-based design tools and remote access for both support and installation of our products has allowed us to continue through the days of COVID. But we do lead the industry in some major ways. We support long-distance links of up to 600 kilometers, and our equipment offers a 5-year standard warranty, again, industry-leading. So the three areas I'd like to talk about today. First is Cband. The market is required and requested higher and higher frequency links rather than the traditional L-band or even before that IF over fiber solution. So based on that, we've developed a Cband product where we can now carry Cband over fiber. And it's actually like a tri-band product. We don't only support standard C-band from 3.4 to 7.1 gigahertz, but actually from 500 megahertz all the way up to 7.5. So it's almost a tri-band solution supporting UHF, L-band, and C-band. And this allows teleport operators to have more diversity in connecting their baseband equipment in a more efficient way, sharing resources, and to become more cost effective. A second technology that is very innovative, especially in these times, is we have a web-based system designer tool that operates in the cloud. Now, when I was in the days, working the days of Satcom, like other manufacturers of Satcom equipment, we all had a proprietary link budget tool that we could never give to our customers. So they would beg us to redo link budgets over and over as they redesigned and tweaked the requirements. But with ViaLite's cloud-based web designer tool, which is basically a link budget tool for RF over fiber, our customers can both verify the link that we've designed for them and tweak it, or even if they have the technical capability to design their own RF over fiber links. So being web-based, our customers can have access to it, and especially in these days of COVID-19, where there aren't so many face-to-face engineering meetings, this tool allows progress in designing and implementing long-distance links. Especially in Asia Pacific, where long-distance links for diversity are critical because of the tropical environment, it's very important that these links are designed properly to allow for seamless switchover during rainy conditions. A third area of innovation, we all know about the rollout of LEO constellations in the world today. And in our business, this has led to a total change in the architecture of ground-based connectivity, where before we had a single Earth station for a geo satellite, now we see clusters of equipment in a single place comprising a gateway. And we are asked to connect these clusters of baseband equipment to clusters of antennas. And what the LEO operators are looking for is miniaturization, modularization of a solution. And from that, we've come up with ODE-MINI, Outdoor Enclosure Mini, a very high dense outdoor enclosure that can support 1 to 2 links, L-band or C-band, including SNMP management and Ethernet connectivity, all in a very small box. So instead of wondering how you're going to support RF over fiber equipment out at the antenna, we have a total solution, IP65 compliant, that can be implemented. And broadcasters are also very interested in this type of solution for their own needs. So the company is also moving in new directions. Traditionally, we've been a hardware company, but now we're looking for more software solutions. Our DWDM diversity solution, we're looking at implementing automatic switchover capability for that. Our SNMP capability, we've migrated to HTML-based because, you know, when you have Java-based solutions, you may have dozens of updates from Java in a given year, which is disruptive to a Earth station environment. So by moving to HTML and moving software out of the boxes and making them external, we minimize the outages to our customers for our solutions. So these are the ways that ViaLite has been innovated in the past few years. And as we continue now to expand in the Asia Pacific region where I'm based, I'm sure it'll be a very exciting time for the company.